Welcome to Captain Morgan's Wargaming. I am part of the Editchville 40Ks Unification Wargamers group, which can be found on Facebook. I'll put a link in the description below. My package from Green Stuff has come. I'm going to do an unboxing, and I will then be doing a review of the items. So you get a little thing here. You get a pinwheel, which is a colour wheel, which is pretty cool. First thing is the Ancestral Realms, and I'm going to have a quick look at this because this is what's going to be doing my bases. Right. So I'm going to take that away. That is looking pretty cool. For a roller. Get the rings with it, but I haven't bought the rings. But that's my. I love these little bits of polystyrene. I'm going to keep the box because it's some brown stuff, 2-part epoxy resin that'll be used to help make my bases. The last thing, I'm hoping, it's full box. I'm hoping I'll be able to fit my orcs in here. And what's the last bit? It's original sculpting. Modern putty knife. Pretty much, yeah, that's what it looks like from the box. Again, I'll be having a I'm going to put a little bit of thing, a little bit of so a little bit, and then what's the last one more thing, just as you can see, base colours down to 22mm, that's 25mm, imagine that's 30mm, 32mm, yeah, so 40mm, 50mm, 60, 55 and 60. No 90, but that's fair enough. It's a bit like the old gold. And comes in a nice base cutters, and so that is my thing, and that will be what my afternoon will consist of. And I'll come back once I've done the bases, and now I'm Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the share button, like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to stay up to date with the notifications. And remember, everybody knows the dice are low.